Hello again, viewers. In this video, we're going to talk about the different types of wrinkles and what they say about your health. A dynamic wrinkle is caused by constant skin movement on your face. These movements include worrying, smiling, frowning. They take years to form, but on the upside, you can get rid of them through natural remedies. Static wrinkles are caused when your facial skin loses its elasticity. This type is harder to get rid of. Genetics and harmful habits such as smoking play a big role. If it hasn't been on your face very long, natural remedies can help. Otherwise, you may need medical attention. With that out of the way, let's start this list with bunnies. As cute as it might sound, bunny lines are one of the most known wrinkles on humans. When you smile or laugh, the muscle near the bridge of your nose forms a line. This happens after years of strain on your facial muscles. These later turn into dynamic wrinkles. Bunny lines are just one type of dynamic wrinkle. They're visible on the inner corner of your eyes, towards the side of your nose. They may extend horizontally or downwards from there. While laughing has been proven to be good for your health, it also stretches your facial muscles. It's a well-known cause of bunny lines. Now you might be asking, should we stop laughing? No, you don't have to do that. Laughing and smiling is normal human behavior. Additionally, the bunny lines that are created because of laughter can be cured through simple egg white facial masks. Although, we can't say the same for the bunny lines that are created as a side effect of Botox. Your facial muscles work hard to help you smile and laugh. When you inject Botox into them, you lose wrinkles. The Botox destroys some muscles from working. This means that other muscles have to work harder to compensate. Guess which muscles feel the most pressure? If your answer is the ones near your nose and eyes, then you're right. Oh, and you're most likely to get bunny lines because of Botox than any facial expression. Moving on to point number 2, crow's feet. If experts are to be believed, crow's feet occur when your facial skin loses elasticity and collagen. In other words, this is a static wrinkle. It usually occurs on the outer portion of your eyes. As we age, our skin loses two very important compounds. These are collagen and elastin. These compounds usually help to keep our skin flexible. This is why we don't get wrinkles when we're young. That's not all. This problem of losing collagen and elastin is amplified by the damage caused by hormonal changes, free radicals, and ultraviolet rays from the sun. The more it occurs, the quicker your face starts forming this problem. Nowadays, because of global warming, we tend to get these wrinkles at an earlier age than we did back in the early or mid-20th century. As far as health is concerned, crow's feet is often linked with dehydration and eyesight problems. As a result, people who use spectacles may develop this problem quicker than others. Time for number 3. Worry lines. This is a wrinkle that almost everyone has. As the name suggests, worry lines are a product of mental illness, depression, and at times, sleeplessness. People may have different types of worry lines on their head. Some people have horizontally shaped lines, while others have a line on the side of their eyebrows. Worry lines may be due to exposure from the sun's ultraviolet radiation. They can also occur because of genetic problems. Repeated facial expressions over a long period of time can cause worry lines. Another big cause is smoking. Chain smokers have often been found to have premature wrinkles and worry lines on their heads. The upside is that these lines are rather easy to get rid of compared to others. All you need to do is consume enough water, which is 3 liters per day. Apart from that, eat a lot of green vegetables. That should help you lose those head stripes in a few months. Always keep yourself hydrated and your face moisturized. Having an optimistic outlook towards life can also boost the process of reduction of such lines. Moving on to 4. The laugh lines. There are many causes for laugh lines, most notably sun damage, smoking, and dehydration. So, if you're not drinking enough water, indulging in bad habits, and are exposing yourself too much in the sun, you will have laugh lines. These are folds that occur near the nose and the upper lip of your face. When you're someone who smiles or laughs a lot, then these lines may occur in your middle age. Once again, we wouldn't ask you to stop laughing or smiling. They're two of the most basic human expressions. Instead, you could try drinking more water or use sunscreen when you expose yourself. Most importantly, try to quit smoking. Apart from affecting your lungs, cigarettes also affect your nose, mouth, throat, face, and heart. If you could learn to live without them, you won't have to worry about laugh lines at all. So why not give quitting a try? Speaking of which, this brings us to the 5th type of wrinkle. Lip lines. If laugh lines occur on the side of your nose, these ones form on the perimeter of your lips. This happens to be the breakage of collagen. After the age of 20, your body produces 1% less collagen every year. This is why your lips, which are puffy when young, become deflated by the time you reach middle age. Once again, other factors such as dehydration and smoking play an important role in the matter. They boost the process of collagen breakage in your skin. This is why you might often see lip lines in smokers. It's also an indication that you aren't drinking enough water. Of course, your skin's eternal foe, the ultraviolet rays of the sun, are also responsible for this problem. This is why when you go outside, remember to wear sunscreen and shades. You can also use lip balm, as this will help them moisturize. This reduces the problems of collagen breakage. On to the 6th type of wrinkle. The forehead lines. Not to be confused with worry lines that we mentioned earlier, forehead lines are only horizontal and only occur on the T-zone. Unlike worry lines that are only related to psychological problems, forehead lines are often seen in people who have some form of cardiovascular issue. If someone has heart disease, high blood pressure, or unhealthy cholesterol, then they may also have prominent forehead lines. Additionally, constant daily pressure can boost these problems, making the lines more prominent. Apart from that, people who go through depression may have faint forehead lines. In case you don't have these problems, we suggest you moisturize and keep yourself hydrated. If you do, it's better to go to the doctor and follow their advice. Now, on to number 7. Marionette lines. Much like laugh lines and lip lines, these occur on the lower half of your face. Compared to others, these are treated as rather natural signs of aging. They are more prominent in people who don't follow a disciplined and healthy lifestyle. Apart from that, ultraviolet ray exposure and dehydration can also be blamed for this. This is why, people, you need to take care of yourselves. A regular amount of drinking water and cleansing your skin with lemon, honey, or egg white face masks would be helpful for you. This reminds us, we did a video on egg white face masks. You can have a look at that video for reference as well.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.